that direction. Okay. That's good. Okay. Roll together. Great. Okay. I think that's about right. Okay, let's get out the cookie cutters. No.
Oh, that's deep. That's a heart.
Do you see any other shapes, son? What other shapes do you see?
A candy cane.
That's a candy cane. Anything else?
A Christmas tree.
Mm-hmm. What else?
What else do you want? A butterfly.
There's a butterfly.
That's mine.
That's a letter S, you're right.
It's mine.
Mm-hmm.